Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video today I'll be showing you how to make chicken pilau at home. It is so simple, anyone can do it, and this pilau was so delicious. I loved it so much. I hope you try out this recipe because it is worth it. And I'm just going to marinate the chicken overnight. I'm just going to add pilau masala, then I'll be adding cumin powder. I'll be also adding turmeric and ginger and lemon juice. That is 1 lemon, freshly squeezed juice. I also added crushed garlic, and I'm going to list all the spices that I used to marinate the chicken here on the side. And then give that a mix, ensuring that the chicken is well coated with the spices. And then cover and leave it overnight. And if you do not have time to marinate it for long, you can just marinate it for 2 to 3 hours. It will be still okay. The next day, and this is how the chicken is. It is very well marinated. And now it's time to start cooking the pilau. Just fry your onions. Use as much onions as you can. Next, add crushed garlic. And if you have ginger root, just crush it and add it as well. And then give that a mix and let the onions cook. And once the garlic is cooked and the onions are translucent, I'm just going to fry cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon. But you can skip this step if you like, but it is absolutely life-changing. The pilau that you make using cumin seeds, first frying them, is so delicious. At this point also, if you do not have cumin seeds, you can add cumin powder. And then I added 1 tablespoon of pilau masala. Then give that a good mix. And then after the onions are well cooked and the spices have been stirred well, add the marinated chicken and give it a mix. Then cover the chicken and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And after 2 to 3 minutes, at this point now, you can add your potatoes. I'm only going to use 4 potatoes, but you can use more or less, of course, depending on the amount of pilau that you're going to make. Then give it a good mix. Also remember to add salt to taste and give it a stir. And then all this while, when I was preparing the other ingredients, my rice was already soaking, and I'm just going to use 1 cup rice and 2 cups water. But first, cover the mixture and then add in the rice, then give it a good mix. And after adding the rice and mixing it well, be sure to lower the flame. Cook on low flame. Then cook the pilau on low flame until the water has dried up, until the potatoes are well cooked, and until the rice is well cooked. And after around 15 minutes, the pilau was ready. Like you can see, all the water is dried up. The potatoes are so well cooked. And you can confirm that by inserting a fork into the potato, just to be sure that it's clean. The chicken is very, very well cooked. The rice is looking nice. And guys, like I said, this is a very simple pilau recipe that you can do. It is also time saving. You do not spend so much time preparing it. Yeah, and just let it cool and it's ready to serve with your favorite salad. Kachumbari would do. Yeah, you can see it's looking so delicious, you guys. And thank you so much for those that have continued to support my channel. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, and I hope to see you guys on